There are people in this world that can afford to pay you what you charge so that you can take care of people in this world that can't afford to pay you what you charge. Remember, this video is sponsored by Ferguson, and we appreciate them for sponsoring this video so we can bring you this great information. We don't use Ferguson just because they're the closest. We use Ferguson because we think they're the best. And stay around till the end because I want to tell you about Ferguson and a relationship they have with a group that is really doing wonderful things all around the world. So please make sure you stay till the end on this one. I got my HVAC certification a few years back, and one of the professors came in one day and was talking about customer service and told that story. I took that to heart. Me being a plumber, I always wanted to try to be the best plumber that I could be because I can take care of people better. So why is it important to become more than just a plumber? Because the way you feel about yourself, when you understand more, when you know more, when you can do more, and the value that you can bring other people is phenomenal. I started out as a plumber. When I first got into the trades, I just knew I was going to be a plumber. I didn't know what kind of plumber I was going to be. I didn't know there were different kinds of plumbers. I had no idea there was commercial, residential, service, new construction, union, non-union. I had no idea about any of that. I just got in, started out on a commercial remodel job, and realized, man, I kind of enjoy this. Actually, I loved it. So the cool thing about it was I enjoyed what I was doing. Now, I had quit high school, but I loved it so much, and I knew I needed to get my high school diploma. I went back, graduated with my class, came back, and got back in the trades. Now, I love plumbing. I've been a laborer. I've studied HVAC. I've worked with roofers and electricians. I have worked in some of the biggest and some of the smallest jobs here in Dallas. Actually, here in Texas. But why become more than just a plumber? When you get into this and you really love it, you want to learn more and you want to do more. And when you're becoming more, when you're learning more, when you're educating yourself, it makes you feel better. I knew once I got into plumbing and grew with it and had tried all the different aspects of it, I started finding my groove. Eventually, I opened my own company. While I was a superintendent, I started educating myself. I started learning construction management. I started learning the things I needed to do to get the other endorsements on my license. What endorsements are available for you where you have your license? You can be a water supply protection specialist. You can get your med gas endorsement. You can get your multi-purpose residential fire protection sprinkler specialist endorsement. Try to say that 5 times fast. And you can also be an RMP, a responsible master plumber. These are the things that I have. These are the endorsements that I have on my license. And I have all those endorsements at the master level. Here in Texas, you can also get those on the journeyman level, except for the RMP. That's when you're a master and you want to open your own company. So my thing is, why do all that? Because I want to be the best. Why would you want to be the very best? If you can be the best plumber in your area, you're going to get that reputation out there. You're going to get that name recognition. What is your area? Do you just want to be the best plumber in your city? Maybe in your community? Maybe in your county? You can do what you want to do to grow to the size you want to grow. And being the best is going to help you. You're going to have plumbers that want to come to work for you because they think maybe you do things a little better. Maybe you do, maybe you don't. Are you learning? Are you trying to improve? One thing that we do when we hire plumbers, we want to hire the plumbers that have the best character. That may be just a natural personality trait that somebody has. Are they very charismatic? Do they communicate well with people? Or are they the old school plumber that just wants to get in, get the job done, and get out of there? It takes all different kinds. But the cool thing is when you become the very best, when you constantly work on improving yourself, your attitude changes. You feel better every day about getting up and coming to work because you're making a difference. You can learn so much that you put yourself in a position that you can help improve the system. You can make it better for not just you, not just your boss, not just your community, but your employees, the people that work with you, the lives you have the opportunity to touch each and every day. So why do all this? Because when you own your own company, or maybe you're high enough at another company that you can help make decisions, you have an opportunity to help others. Remember how I started this out. There are people in this world that can afford to pay you what you charge. We get calls every now and then from people that can't afford to pay us what we charge. And we always double check, is this legit? We had a lady call one day, and it was actually, she was pointed to us from the union back when we were members. She called and she says, look, I'm disabled and the city's going to turn off my water because we have a leak outside so bad it's flooding the neighbor's yard. And my wife called, checked with the city, and the city said, yes, this is true. And they actually had her scheduled to be turned off the next day. And my wife said, look, don't turn her off. We're going to get out there, but we're not going to be able to get there till tomorrow. We are going to look at it. We're going to check on it and see what it takes. And this was a bigger job than I would normally do for free for anybody. But when I got to this person's house, she was disabled. Her husband was disabled and their son was disabled. And sometimes you just feel like, look, I've got to do something here. Look, my plumbing company is not getting rich, but we have the opportunity sometimes to take care of others. Sometimes that's all you can do. But we were able to tunnel under this house, fix a leak, and keep it from causing problems with the house next door. While we were there, we also fixed a few things inside that were leaking to make it better for them. Don't get me wrong. I didn't leave this house looking like a brand new mansion or anything like that. But when I left, their plumbing worked. It was not leaking. It was not flooding. And it wasn't costing them a lot of money. Sometimes though, we have the opportunity to help others. You never know when that opportunity is going to come along or if you're going to be able to do anything or not. But what I want to tell you today is please, if you get the opportunity to take care of somebody that maybe can't afford to pay you what you charge, find a way to see what you can do to help them. The way you will feel when you get home at the end of the day, the end of the week, whatever it is, when you look back at it and think, hey, you know what? I really did something for somebody today. That little feeling is worth everything in the world. Now, first of all, before you go anywhere, I want you to go down in the comments and leave a message. Have you ever done anything free for someone? And I don't mean just, hey, just showed up and did something free, but you went out and looked at something, you realized, hey, they really don't have the means to take care of this. The way the world is today, there's a lot more people like that. And sometimes we need to do what we can to help other people. I told y'all to hang around because I want to talk to y'all about Dig Deep. What Dig Deep is an organization that literally their goal is to bring fresh drinking water to people. I think it's neat that Ferguson said, hey, look, this is who we want you to talk about in this video. This is who we want you to let people know about. This is a neat organization. I've done some studies on it now. I think it's really cool. I'm going to get in touch with them to see what I can do to help. They are literally trying to bring fresh water to people, not just around the world, but in the United States. What I learned from their website, there's about 6 areas in the United States that people do not have fresh drinking water. And to me, that's sad. What can we do to help? So guys, do me a favor. Let me know in the comments down below. What are you doing to help? Who have you helped? And how did it make you feel? Once again, Ferguson, thank you for all you do. Go to the links below down in the description to ferguson.com and Ferguson's Facebook page. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. I'm Roger Wakefield, Lead AP, the expert plumber. I'll see you in the next video if you don't get flushed.